is a cold start of the F-150, 2000 F-150 Harley-Davidson edition. And the AC system, heating and AC system. Currently reading about 80 degrees atmospheric temperature. After a short while it will be down probably in the 40s. Stereo system. Different channels. I didn't bring a cassette nor a CD, but those do definitely work. AM as well as the FM. Shows an empty magazine because I didn't have any in there right now. Temperatures getting down below 50 on my thermometer. Blowing cold at these upper vents. I've got it on max AC. And switch to non-recirculation AC. And then just the panel is just airflow through. And then after the temperature is reached, we'll go to the heat side. You can hear the exhaust. It has a fairly loud factory exhaust that you can hear during acceleration even inside the closed cab. You can see the temperature is heading down into the upper 40s, and I assure you it will do better as time goes on. It's blowing plenty cold. Now I'll switch to the heater side, to the floor. The air switches over to blow the air down below. The floor and defroster. You'll have air coming out now up at the dashboard as well as down by the floor. The panel and the floor will show the hot air going to come out now and raise the thermometer temperature up. It'll take a little bit. Oh, I just realized I had the temperature over on cold. So we're just going to blow ambient air. Now you'll see that temperature coming up due to the heater being involved and heating the cab. And it'll get real nice and toasty here. And that should be sufficient for now. Thank you. Bye.